Welcome to 2-year Algebra 2A, Unit 1, where in Week 1 we look at SLT1, explore the nature of inverse operations. What's an inverse? Well, imagine driving to your best friend's house from your house. What would the directions be? Now consider driving back from your friend's house to your house. How do the directions differ? Finding an inverse of an equation or relationship is like thinking about the steps to go from your friend's house back to your house. But before we dig into inverses, we're going to practice finding some values of equations. So consider the equation y equals 3x plus 1. Let's find some values, some y values for this equation. I've given you some x values. Take a minute or so to calculate what the y values will be. Hopefully, your y values are similar to the ones that we got here. If not, that's okay. Just check your work and go back, and I'm sure that you can get it right. Now consider this equation, y equals x minus 1 divided by 3. I've given you some x values for this equation, and now we want you to find the y values. Again, take a couple minutes, plug in the values, and see if you can come up with the y values. Here are the y values. And again, hopefully your y values match the y values on the screen. So one of the things that's important is that for inverse functions in a graph, they will have the reverse x and y values. So here's an example where you have an original function with these different x, y values. And if you notice, the inverse function has it reversed. So for example, on the original function, a point is -1, -2. And on the inverse, the point is -2, -1. Graphically, functions and their inverses are also reflections of the line y equals x. Thank you for watching this short video on the first week of 2-year Algebra 2.